Before we begin, take a slow breath in through your nose and exhale gently through your mouth. Listen to the sound of your own breath. That sound, quiet, steady, and alive, is proof that peace is still available to you. It doesn't need to be found, it only needs to be spoken. There is a sound that stills storms. It's not the sound of effort, it's the sound of peace. It's what Jesus spoke when the winds roared and the waves rose. He simply said, "Peace, be still," and creation obeyed his voice. That same authority has been placed within you. Your words carry the power to bring calm to the chaos around you and the chaos within you. Take another slow breath in. And as you exhale, feel your spirit beginning to settle. Repeat softly, "Peace lives in me. I speak peace over my mind." Your brain listens to the sound of your voice more than any other. What you say consistently becomes what your mind begins to believe. So when you speak peace, your nervous system responds. Your cortisol lowers, heart rate steadies, thought patterns shift from fear to faith. This is not imagination. It's simply how God designed you. He created you to partner with His Word, to speak life, to call things that are not as though they were. When you say peace, your brain starts to believe it, and your body begins to release it. Repeat quietly. I speak peace over every thought. I speak calm into my I speak calm into every emotion. Philippians 4 reminds us that the peace of God guards both the heart and the mind. But peace doesn't guard in silence. It speaks. It reminds anxiety that it cannot stay. It tells fear that it has no home here. It declares, "Be still." Every sound you make carries frequency, and peace has a frequency that heaven recognizes. When you speak peace, you align your mind with divine rhythm, the same rhythm that brought light into existence. Neuroscience calls this auditory grounding. When you hear your own voice speak words of safety, your brain's alarm system begins to quiet. Your amygdala, the part of your brain that reacts to threat, it starts to rest. This is the power of God's design. You can use your words to heal your mind. Now repeat softly. Peace speaks through me. Peace surrounds me. Peace strengthens me. I release the language of fear. I no longer say, "I am overwhelmed." I say, "I am covered." I no longer say, "I am falling apart." I say, "God holds me together." I no longer say, "I'm losing control." I say, "Peace is my portion." What I speak, I build. What I build, I inhabit. So I choose to build peace with my words. Take a slow breath in and exhale slowly. Now repeat quietly. Peace fills this space. Peace fills my thoughts. Peace fills my heart. Peace is not the absence of noise. It's the awareness of God in the midst of it. It's the steady truth that I am held. It's the knowing that no matter the storm, His word still carries power through my voice. John 14:27 reminds me that Jesus left His peace with me, not as the world gives, but as a permanent gift. That means I don't have to chase peace. I only have to release it. Now repeat softly. Peace is not something I find. Peace is something I carry. As I speak peace, my thoughts align. As I speak calm, my emotions quiet. As I speak life, my soul begins to heal. Now take one final deep breath in through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Now listen, the sound of peace is no longer external, it's within you. You carry it, you release it, you speak it, and wherever your voice goes, peace follows. Your mind is calm, your heart is centered, your spirit is steady. You are surrounded and filled by the sound of peace.